Yun namang na-freeze ng Anti-Money Laundering Council sa web of accounts ng mga personalidad na konektado sa flood control scandal ay nasa 7 billion pesos na, ayon yan kay Senator Win Gatchalian. Maki-update tayo kay Bombo J. Galvez.
Nasa 7 bilyong piso na ang na-freeze ng Anti-Money Laundering Council o AMLAC sa web of accounts ng mga personalidad na konektado sa maanumalyang flood control projects. Itong sinabi ni Senate Committee on Finance Chairman Senator Sherwin Gatchalian sa tanong ni Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson sa deliberasyon ng budget ng AMLAC para sa 2026. Ayon kay Lacson, sinimulan na ng AMLAC ang pag-freeze sa web of accounts ng mga personalidad na konektado sa korupsyon, kabilang ang mga substandard at ghost flood control projects. May kapangyarihan niyang ahensya na palawakin pang kanilang aksyon upang mahabol ang pondo na nailipat na sa mga kamag-anak o kaibigan ng nasasangkot. Iginit ni Gatchalian, umaasa naman ang AMLAC na maaari silang makarecover ng 3 beses pa ng halagang na-freeze na ito.
They have already gone into the web of accounts. They've looked into the accounts of the relatives, the friends, the people who are close to these personalities, Mr. President.
And without going to the details, anong multiplier effect? Mga how many times?
Right now, Mr. President, they've already frozen 7 billion,
Okay.
Mr. President, and they're constantly monitoring the web of accounts, Mr. President. So the executive director said that they're very optimistic that this 7 billion will still go up, Mr. President. So they're coordinating with the banks.
By how
Mr.
many
President.
times? Projection lang.
Yes,
Para lang medyo makatulog tayo na mahimbing sa mga efforts ng Senate Committee Chairman ng Finance, including all the senators for that matter.
So, ang conservative estimate po is 3 times the 7 billion, Mr. President. So, yun po ang kanilang conservative pa yon, Mr. President.
Correct,
Conservative
Mr. I
estimate.
understand, Mr. Chairman. Kasi kung tenfold, baka mag-amend pa ulit tayong dalawa, magdagdag pa tayo. Thank you.
Samantala, dahil sa intervention ni Lacson, ibinalik ng Senate Finance Committee ang inirekomend ng pondo ng AMLAC para sa 2026 na nagkakahalaga ng 333 million pesos. Ayon kay Gatchalian, ibinalik sa 333 million pesos ang budget ng ahensya sa Senate version ng budget bill mula sa 170.161 million pesos na nakapaloob sa National Expenditure Program. Noong Setyembre 15, tiniyak ni Lacson sa AMLAC sa committee hearing ang kanyang suporta upang makuha ang kinakailangang pondo laban sa money laundering at korupsyon matapos niyang ipakita na maliit lamang ibinigay sa National Expenditure Program. Humiling ang AMLAC sa Department of Budget and Management ng 333.1 million pesos para sa 2026, ngunit 170.161 million pesos lamang ang inirekomenda. Sinabi ni Lacson na ang karagdagang requirements ng AMLAC ay mas maliit pa kumpara sa komisyon at standard operating procedure na hinihingi ng ilang opisyal ng Department of Public Works and Highways at ilang lawmaker proponent.
Track more than the NEP level. The NEP is 170, and then we granted the request of AMLAC. Upon your recommendation, Mr. President, during the budget deliberations, you strongly recommend to increase the budget of AMLAC, considering what's happening right now. So the new budget of AMLAC is 333 million, Mr. President.
So I assume there are no more complaints from the AMLAC, from the Executive Director. And the rest of the...
Nakangiti na, Mr. President, si ED.
Para sa Bombo Network News, ako si Bombo J.C. Galvez, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.